I'm going to show you how to use question banks when you're using forms and quizzes in Fusion. So let's edit this quiz here. This quiz only has one question in it so far. Any question in a quiz can be copied to the question bank. You can then choose your own personal bank or the school bank to copy it to. And you just say copy to bank. When you're adding a new question to a form, click add question, and one of the options now is from the bank. Click add, choose which bank you want to bring it in from, and say search. We then have a list of questions that are in the question bank, and I can preview the questions to see how they will look in the form. If I'm happy with the question, I just click the green plus to add it to my quiz. If I want to go to the bank to view and manage my questions, I click bank here, and I can choose between my bank and the school bank at the top. And any of the questions in this list can be edited, transferred to the other bank, they can be previewed, and they can be deleted. You can also add questions directly into the question bank. If you want to import questions to a question bank, at the moment what you need to do is add a new file and a new form, and at this stage you should import a QTI format quiz, and once you've imported the quiz, you can simply add the questions to the question bank as normal. So that's how to use the question bank in Fusion.